Chef Billy Parisi here, and I've got the perfect weeknight meal for you: creamy chicken and mushrooms. We're going to start off with some Gerber chicken thighs. These are always available in the meat department at your favorite Heinen's. We are just going to transfer these to a plate, and then what we want to do is season them well with salt and pepper. Of course, we're going to do this on both sides, so don't forget to flip them over, and then again, season the other side with salt and pepper. What we're going to do is just briefly set this to the side and add some olive oil to a large rondeau pot, or you can use a large frying pan over high heat. We are going to add in the chicken, and we're going to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. We want to get it really brown before we flip everything over and then cook it for a further 7 to 8 minutes. At this point, we are going to remove the chicken and set it to the side. Now, add a bunch of sliced mushrooms, buttons, creminis, even portabellas. All mushrooms are perfect in this recipe, and you can use just all of one if you'd like. We are going to stir this over high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes until they get nice and caramelized. Then scoot them to one side of the pan, and in the other side of the pan, add in some shallots, finely minced garlic, and a little bit of butter to help cook it. We are just going to cook this for 1 minute, get a little bit of a caramelization, and make sure that garlic is completely cooked before mixing everything together. Now what we want to do is make a quick roux. So sprinkle in a little bit of all-purpose flour, mix it together until it is combined, and then at this point we are going to add in some good chicken stock. What we really want to do is bring it to a boil over high heat because it will become nice and thick just like this. Now to finish this off, we're going to hit it with a little bit of heavy whipping cream for some fat, and because this is going to be a braising liquid, season it up well with salt and pepper. Give it a stir until everything is combined, and then start adding back that cooked chicken. We're going to further cook it for another 6 to 7 minutes, make sure it's cooked through, and then you've got a fantastic one-pan meal. Garnish it up with a little bit of fresh thyme and chopped parsley. Your family and friends are going to absolutely love this recipe.